And I recognize the scope of the question I'm about to ask here, but do we have any idea of what it is that dictates that difference? But why we can't choose to love someone, why we can choose to be loving, but there is a certain thing that we can't put our finger on, but we know it when we feel it. What do we have scientifically about that? Do we have anything? We just going for the ride?
There's a chemical response in the brain that it's spawned unconsciously.
Okay.
You can't say, I'm going to feel this burst of oxytocin in specific kinds of brain regions that we see when mothers are talking to their infants, and skin on skin contact is really big, touch and certain kinds of vocalizations activate it. And you can't choose for it not to be activated by that. It just happens. And then once you have that, there's this, and it's hard to see it. It's hard to do these experiments in humans, but if you look at prairie voles, which are a model for pair bonding because they actually form lasting monogamous relationships, the act of meeting their mate actually changes their brain permanently. And there's more oxytocin receptors in the place where the oxytocin receptors are correlated with the degree of pair bonding permanently. And they can't, I'm sure that's not something they control either. It's your body's response that you've evolved to force you into these relationships so that you will, nurture your offspring and so forth.